Abusia OKatakyie Afrifa on there or say on sinsium and san waham and bemen sinsium and san waham or this year and conswa aqua edwane ono de obe fight Galamsey no ene asemo or they atu dwane say Galamseyers CBF no ekuno abusia wa show CCTV footages ni nyina no ye bemu hu abusia Captain Smart enso so ene Kevin Taylor a react to Galamsey sensem yi ene de eye OKatakyie Afrifa abekan abusia strong media GH yebeje bre na ya church yomo de obi aka de OKatakyie Afrifa aka de Kevin Taylor aka ene de Captain Smart enso so aka ni nyina no ye be somo na wa hu say ye somo a eye papa mesel say ube feel free na wa kire wa dwen e wo comment section na ubia wa share video yi ama onua bi ensa atumi aka e ma refi say ube subscribe to channel no na wa ba adoma no so say ya ye drop video a be first person onsa ebetumi aka abusentie nde wo angel money show so e na OKatakyie Afrifa e de abetu dwa say nipa bonifo bi epe no akuno ni nyina eye Galamsey enkoma wa sha ase a odi ene anamo a wa sha ase a otu afa Galamsey hu say de be ya o my Ghana be fa no ntoma pa afra na ya gye ye ho ade ye ho ewo eye Galamsey ho abusia o show CCTV footages niema e kire se de all kano eyampa yenhwe video no mra
enra se me ka che mo 3 days ago yes okay so for security reasons memfa ento ho me when him say nipa betena wonimu ho okay 50 minutes and right here CCTV no well over 60 minutes 50 no monitor movement time am be fie ni no tena wa ya so ye call easy but easy who said the pan me say you medical mom warning say when you come after me I don't wait to I will let my people come after and they will be in your shadows wo we say we begane we out to our want to me nyamfa want to air crowd and unyanda agibetena me gate ya over 50 minutes na oye call na o share movement around na nanu mo de on be ye say camera ba ku bi bo one of the places bonim na unim say funny enough camera is supposed to watch the street okay but minim dey ya baby a guy ne betena ye na picking straight I want a camera no tilt ye to direct so could you bone it what when him the camera see so direct okay the camera was not even showing anywhere no because video had the changes here camera dey na pepem say ya na hu na tare ya se ni bibia direct omo be me Saturday now mbebusi afie na wa around sekatachi afie ni ana lady no wo the next door say I so no ni man ana omubusi amakola abakọ ye oba wo say na nipa na enfie ni ne ye hoya you see mamu mambe hwehwe we opa me number me de be ma wo no wa fro sekatachi ehia ye na ada me hu wo mo no me call inside am say aba ye me be gina wo hwe nanim di na lucky no ye na saka me wura dem fa yitu ni mienu na mbebusi anse ti mumu ba de na opese mpankumo but it's serious oh I'll kill you just say dia guru I'll kill you if I not me we will kill you serious what dia will be make you move here and move yet them complete remember police action your mind drone a good serious oh yes on better if they've been for the past 2 weeks they've been coming to my gate looking at time we muda honi adie na hair no be pretty. Yes, my boys will be in your shadows. Wa ansani acho. We say mudwane ko baby enyi. Yise mutu free Ghana. Oh. Adrusa. Oh yes, they want to kill me. They want to kill me. Adrusa.
Abusia obekaya ebra OKatakyie Afrifa ene team no ekọ eye Tano Forest ekọkọche Chinese for me ensa na omu eye Galamsey yi Captain Smart ebeka sembi se ono na start Galamsey ehun nkomodie no start ye no na chese OKatakyie Afrifa oye ni nua kra no entena se ene ensem de wabro ensem so bebrebe panti owie na osanso a share challenges a wafam de empanyumfo no mu bi ene nipa no mu bi de aye no obra o sha asese or fight against Galamsey.
My brother, he's my friend. We talk. But time when I'm starting Galamsey, no OKatakyie to do my time. I will angel, no boy. Ye call Enzima area, ye call Manso and Quanta and important Manso Dubia in the Ashanti region, ye by Eastern region and an important. They were insulting me. Me family home. And then me adofo Okatakyie. Wako Galamsey sites. When I said, sir, Ghana woman would did ban no penny fret your baying.
The king.
People thought that I was insulting the academia. And say, and it's the same, I'm an Okatakyie. You tag say, Sabaya and Yabibia or Galamsey one. On the first line.
Daybreak. It's a daybreak.
I am Nancophobia dream almost say, yes, sorry, you need me here. Captain Soyo Casacasa. Sir, I'm sorry. Mina Michelle Galamsey fighters. This is a maybe Monfa. When I was talking about Galamsey, I was arrested 3 times. Mete, restaurants away in Chahaya. Afrikiko, Mididi, national security for 4. Never quay pistol at the 2 tables, so 10. Sakwe, you don't know the guy you are dealing with. I'm not trying to make you and about Obama and Captain. We have been told to arrest you. Really? We have been told to arrest you. On what I had a name and Diana. What you say, 2 time and I'm saying, I'm okay, here I am. I say, I want to place a call. A friend will be say, boss, where should we bring him? Or man, take you, them say, okay, sir. We are not some catch him and say, one more chair, baby, I know the qua, me catch you. And it's na me can be and Yamio Hatasului. Nameti Afrikuku from 1:42 p.m. about 6. There's a general manager be no war Afrikuku. Matisa yes we minim sampadia. Me say manager be ho. No say the manager about say captain what's na hache? Captain what's na hache? Nam so enya hwemi ana. I say yambra drink bi ana me say ane. Meti what from 1:42. Yet now wa mane bo 7. Na kwa no yam friend nkyere ne baby a omfaminko. The na ye me tiny say where you handcuff the akatu no. Nam tell them here kwenim. Na nyame din ho afofi be ka bibia. So try any antics can make sense. I was trained by Francis Puku. Me ka bibia. Who got that time before I'm so akwa we there. You person you be touching him. They know me, they trained me. I am the Osama bin Laden in the new patriotic party. You think they don't know? They know. I told him, look, let the fear be kind of home. No guy answer, madam. Tamena ututu. Dabenda who action. I say, Captain, this is not an important question to why we are here. And I'm say, from this particular moment, say make sure you don't come close to my left. Otherwise, I will beat you mercilessly. And let this guy fire. Because what? I was talking about Galamsey. Galamsey, Galamsey, no, let me say this on authority. Me, my production team, they are the best in the world. Opa, you can have a dream, be a war. I don't give a damn to it. But I want to sit here and tell you that me, my production team, they are the best in the world. Opa, bra. Don't get me anybody. Because speed, I'm doing it.
After Captain Smart answer me and Kevin Taylor so say yenina ya wo Ghana ha say na che said na po matiopoku prempe na wo be ka asem ama yatie na yato aba e de amamo a momo say moba excavators a mo season nyina no mo sa de bema eye won a eye won dia na omo akoye adwuma wo omu concessions abusua ene ensem wa Kevin Taylor abroso no about asem we ya yewra na po ebe ka ye no enya asem ketwa Minina efa Galamsey eho yahwemra.
A small scale mining no pe na chamfan ne de Bawumia mpe. Na wonim de ehu pa. Sati asma na pokan, let me show you something. And then I be say Ghana ye Jimmy to allow these people to even campaign in our various communities. Na po say we will give everyone his excavator to work in his concession to make money to support the economic growth of their communities. Almost say excavators 2,500 no muwia omo je no omo so omo do bi excavator be ma no na omo ye djuma magane tumpon na excavator na wo de ma sa Galamsey fo no ejuma be na wo de kwaye. You are in the middle of an ocean who say busaso pe caves yare. The issue is the fight you are fighting, you still don't even have a concrete solution for us. You don't have an antidote.
mining along the water bodies cannot continue if we want to preserve the nature and our system. Cannot continue. But this say Galamsey for say pass me babe dim rano so on so na election I be MPP for who become me dey hear me say me dey Nyankopon aka kire me say e hear say me babe ye anu na hear me na me babe ye nsese ya ebe bo ma no nkoso anu na hear me nya election asem dey nsese ya betumi aye ama omanu enya nkoso ye na no jasasi ma ye ye tumi nya bibi papa kura ye su enja no sa ma ye na no
So the question is, what has he done? Why are you blaming the NDC? Atichidie we jina ho kasa said drug addict. Oh, in fact, he's a drug addict. Atichidie we kasano. He said that was his responsibility. Has he delivered on his responsibility? Why are we speaking grammar and making it look like this is a trivial issue? Why today, even the media that was screaming in 2014, 15, why is the media, why are they trying to treat this matter like some because it's the MPP? Because the state council, where are those fools? We are in a pandemic. We are in an epidemic. We are in a serious situation.
Ejabusuya obi fighting against Galamsey just say ye monitor obi for steps na ye pese yi ni free ho na ye chi bi nsusu gum na ye di tuo e kire ebi mo no panyimfo no bi nsusu esi omu de omu nya akwanya na omu sa ba excavators just say omu season no omu be release say de be ya wona eye won dia no ebetimi akwakoye adwuma wo omu concessions na abusuya mesel say wo de che wadwen efa video e ho na wi a ebomodin a ehye ma onua bi ensa entumi ka aha a strong media GH time heba mesha ene so ya sina yetumi edi video e ebrel edin no edi AJ meda wase na mama obo ene hwe makra